Greeting from the void, and thank you for taking the time to watch this video. As most people know by now, the iPad Pro 11-inch has been released since October 30th, 2018, giving reviewers from all corners of the world a chance at explaining all the different functions, features, and specifications, but today I'm going to do a little something different here. Thanks to the recent announcement and release of Apple's spring lineup, retailers such as Amazon has saw fit to drop their current sales price from previous iPad models, which is why I finally pulled the trigger and bought one. The price drops apply to the majority of the 2018 lineup to include the Apple iPad Pro 11-inch, which I have here. By the way, as of the recording of this video, the savings price is roughly $53 American. I'm going to speed through the footage of the opening and inspection process. Here we have the manuals. Everything looks in order. And the USB-C cord, which Apple says it's a Pro feature. It's a USB-C to USB-C connection, with the power adapter being a USB-C connection also. The iPad Pro features 4 speakers and a plastic covered magnetic strip to help the Apple Pencil 2 charge. It also has the USB-C port. So this is the Apple Pencil 2. Something that is not openly explained about these iPads, Apple Pencils, and Apple Care is that Apple Care will cover both the iPad Pro and the Apple Pencil 2, but only if both of them are purchased together. As I waited for a sale on this iPad Pro model since last year, I was thinking about waiting to buy an Apple Pencil for later, but Apple pulled a swift one requiring both products to be purchased together with the Apple Pencil 2 at the regular retail price of $129.99 American plus tax. However, thanks to purchasing both items together with the Apple Care, at least it will only cost an additional service fee plus tax of $49 USD to fix or replace an iPad Pro and $29 USD for an Apple Pencil 2. This is especially useful since viewing other reviews and demonstrations, iPad Pros have been shown to be physically weak and quite prone to bending and breaking. So, when someone spends the kind of money that they do on something like this, it helps to get extra protection, which is why I saved making this unboxing, testing, review video till now. I did some digging around to find reviews and what possible protective case to get for this iPad Pro 11-inch, and landed on the Subcase UB Pro with Apple Pencil charging slot. The link is located below this video. Existing reviews, videos and written, has noted that the built-in protective plastic screen occasionally dulls touch response and or pin input. So just in case, I also ordered a screen protector that I trust by Rhino Shield. The link is down below. I used the Rhino Shield screen protectors on my Galaxy Note 4, which is the camera I'm using to record this video, and on my old iPad 4th generation, which I have here for durability testing purposes later. Anyways, the Subcase UB Pro reviews have mostly been about showing how great it holds the iPad Pro and Apple Pencil 2, but not so much about durability, so let's go ahead and give that a few smacks for good measure. Although Rhino Shield's video demonstrations show a person hammering their phone, realistically, no one would go and do that. So I'll do it for you. However, frustration with the device might permit a person to say, I don't know, Falcon punch the schnitzel out of their electronic devices? Yep, the screen protector feels pretty solid to me. By the way, Apple bricked my iPad 4 back when I was trying to update to iOS 11 for the new GarageBand features, so that's why I'm not too worried of doing these physical tests on this old model. I mean, as long as Apple doesn't find out that I'm the weirdo accidentally punching my iPad Pro to oblivion, AppleCare still covers that, right? Well, all in the name of science. Everything seems to be in order. All in all, I think it turned out to be a pretty decent series of purchases. I saved a few bucks on the iPad Pro, although Apple really got me with the price of the pencil and the AppleCare. But I consider it a little productivity gift for myself since I made this video and will make as much of the future content for the channel on the iPad Pro. I am glad I purchased all the protective accessories though, cause with how poorly I handle my electronics, the AppleCare coverage would not last long at all. Anyways, thank you for spending the time to watch this video. If you liked the video, a thumbs up would be greatly appreciated. And if you found it enjoyable, feel free to subscribe and click the bell to be notified of future content. That's all for now, and thanks again for watching. And back from the void I go. See you on the other side.